Hello everyone, I'm CJ and I'm the president of UWEP of Kamsu Binalbagan Campus. So in today's video, let's talk about microplastic. But first of all, I want to show you this place which is the Sitio Pasil of Inclaro. Sa hindi kalayuan, dito rin malolocate ang University by the Shore, the Carlos Hilado Memorial State University or Kamsu Binalbagan Campus. So what are microplastics? So microplastics are the smallest debris of plastics which is nagde-decay na siya. So on its decay composition, ito ay nahahalo sa ating buhangin, especially sa quality of water, which is na-affect din ang ating kapaligiran with it. Bilang yan, ito ay kinakain din ng mga isda and other marine species. So this guy got a sample from a can of tuna and dito nakikita ang iba't ibang uri ng mga microplastics na nagko-contain nito. Because our ocean is already contaminated by microplastics, hindi na may iwasan na naging partner rin ito ng consumption sa lahat ng mga marine animals. So in this sand, as you can see na normal lang siya and it's just like an ordinary sand. But if you put it on a microscope, dito mo makikita ang iba't ibang uri ng mga plastics na na-decay or nasama sa sand. So according to FSU researchers, there are 1.8 million of microplastics per cubic meter. So we can't hide the fact na sa isang kutsarang buhangin ay kinukompose din ito ng mga microplastics. Dapat malaman natin na ang microplastic ay nakakasira ng environment and the bodies of water. At matuto tayo na i-segregate ang ating mga basura at huwag ito itatapon kung saan-saan, especially sa ating mga karagatan. I hope this video gave us an idea and also gave us awareness na ang microplastic ay nag-exist kahit hindi rin natin ito makikita. Also, we need to consider na kung saan man tayo pupunta, dapat tayo ay maging responsable sa ating kapaligiran. I am CJ Faala. Thank you for watching this video and see you around. Bye!